This video contains all the information about the 2022 FIDE Candidates Tournament. Details on players, schedule, results, regulations and more. The 2022 FIDE Candidates Tournament runs from June 16th through July 7th. This event is the most important of the year as the world's best players gather to fight for a chance to play GM Magnus Carlsen for the World Championship title in 2023. Schedule. The detailed schedule of the 2022 Candidates Tournament. Date and event. June 17th, Round 1. June 18th, Round 2. June 19th, Round 3. June 20th, Rest Day. June 21st, Round 4. June 22nd, Round 5. June 23rd, Round 6. June 24th, Rest Day. June 25th, Round 7. June 26th, Round 8. June 27th, Round 9. June 28th, Rest Day. June 29th, Round 10. June 30th, Round 11. July 1st, Round 12. July 2nd, Rest Day. July 3rd, Round 13. July 4th, Round 14. July 5th, Tiebreaks. Format. 8 players compete in a double round-robin tournament, 14 rounds. Time control, 120 minutes for the first 40 moves, 60 minutes for the next 20 moves, then 15 minutes for the rest of the game with a 30-second increment per move starting on move 61. Draws by mutual agreement are not allowed before Black's 40th move. Players earn 1 point for a win, 0.5 points for a draw, and 0 points for a loss. The player with the most points at the end of the 14 rounds becomes the champion. The winner earns the right to face Carlsen in the 2023 FIDE World Chess Championship. Tiebreaks. If there is a tie for first place, tiebreaks consist of up to 3 stages. Stage 1. 1. If 2 players are tied, a 15+10 2-game match is played between them, with a drawing of lots determining the colors for the first game. 2. If 3 to 6 players are tied, a single round-robin tournament with a 15+10 time control is played among the tied players. 3. If 7 or 8 players are tied, a single round-robin tournament with a 10+5 time control is played among the tied players. Stage 2. If a tie for first place persists after Stage 1, Stage 2 commences. 1. If 2 players are tied, a 3+2 2-game match breaks the tie, with a drawing of lots deciding the starting colors. 2. If more than 2 players are tied, a single round-robin tournament with a 3+2 time control is played. Stage 3. If a tie for first place persists after Stage 2, Stage 3 commences. 1. A knockout tournament decides the winner. 2. If there are more than 2 players, the bracket is determined by a drawing of lots. 3. Each match of the knockout tournament consists of a single 3+2 game, with colors determined by a drawing of lots. 4. If any game of the knockout ends in a draw, players keep alternating colors and playing 3+2 games until a decisive game determines the winner. Players. The 2022 Candidates Tournament features 8 of the best players in the world. This year, the field features a mixture of seasoned players who have already participated in past editions of the event and young prodigies who will step into the candidates stage for the first time. Ian Nepomniachtchi, 31. Ian Nepomniachtchi, 2766, Russia, qualified as the 2021 FIDE World Championship runner-up. Nepomniachtchi won the 2020-2021 Candidates Tournament with a round to spare but eventually lost to Carlsen in Dubai. Timur Rajabov, 34. Timur Rajabov, 2753, Azerbaijan, was invited by FIDE to play the 2022 Candidates after qualifying for the previous edition of the event and refusing to participate due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Jan Krzysztof Duda, 24. Jan Krzysztof Duda, 2750, Poland. Qualified by winning the 2021 FIDE World Cup, even beating Carlsen in the process. He was also the player who stopped the world champion's unbeaten 125-game streak in 2020. Alireza Fauzier, 18. Alireza Fauzier, 2793, France, qualified after winning the 2021 FIDE Grand Swiss. Fauzier broke the record for the youngest player ever to cross the 2,800 rating barrier. Fabiano Caruana, 29. Fabiano Caruana, 2783, United States, qualified for ending the 2021 FIDE Grand Swiss in second place. Caruana won the 2018 candidates and drew 12 games against Carlsen during the World Championship match. Ding Liren, 29. Ding Liren, 2806, China, qualified as the highest-rated classical player, replacing GM Sergei Karjakin after he was banned from official FIDE events for 6 months starting on March 21, 2022. Hikaru Nakamura, 34. Hikaru Nakamura, 2760, United States. Qualified by finishing in the top 2 in the 2022 FIDE Grand Prix. It will be his second appearance in a candidates tournament, 2016. Richard Rapport, 26. Richard Rapport, 2764, Hungary. Qualified by finishing in the top 2 in the 2022 FIDE Grand Prix. It will be his first appearance in a candidates tournament. Prize pool. The 2022 candidates tournament has a €500,000 prize pool, distributed as follows. 1. First. 1. €48,000. 2. Second. 2. €36,000. 3. Third, €24,000. The prize money is divided equally among players with an equal score after 14 rounds. Players also receive €3,500 for every half point they score. The winner of the tournament earns the right to play against Carlsen in the 2023 FIDE World Chess Championship. Location. In December 2021, FIDE announced that Madrid would host the 2022 Candidates Tournament. Spain is well known for its chess tradition. The country has hosted all the major chess events at least once, including 2 previous candidates finals, 1987 and 1993. Carlsen successfully defended his title against Anand, who won the 2014 Candidates Tournament, Karjakin, 2016, Caruana, 2018, and Nepomniachtchi, 2021. The winner of the 2022 Candidates Tournament will define who the world champion will face next.